Okay, so the parts are laid out here for issue 87 of the Spitfire. It looks like we're just going to be adding speaker and the last of the bass panels to this massive, huge, ridiculous sized bass. Yeah, so not much to talk about. Checked it all off, all there. So just going to get this built up and fitted to this bass. So this will be the build for issue 87. Okay, so first thing it's asking me to do is to fit on this sticker, which is just going to identify obviously the connector. So the sticker itself, it's got a CB on it, has to go very close to the connector. Okay, that's quite simple. Yeah, just put that CB sticker on there. Okay, then this speaker goes into the speaker base or holder with the cable going out. There's a little cutaway. Cable needs to go out the cutaway. There's that. And this gets fitted onto the base. So bringing over the base, and we've quite simply got an area just in there that this speaker is going to be fitted into, and then it's going to be fitted on with some screws. So just load up the screwdriver. So okay, apart from one broken off mount, I've got 3 screws in there. So okay. Now, as you can see, I haven't actually left on the other panels, because I haven't decided what I'm doing with the base yet. The only other thing you've got to do in this issue is fit these panels on, so I'll fit them on just to make sure. Okay, I'm sure they are. Okay, that's it really. Okay, so that was issue 87 there. Yeah, just finishing off that base. Well, kind of finishing off. I think some of the stuff to go in it. I think there's updates to this build. I think add an extra battery box and all kinds of stuff. So it's finished for now, but I'm sure there'll be more to do. Yeah. Issue 88 is a great issue. It's fantastic. It's just another wing panel. Nothing else. We don't do anything with it. It's just the panel itself. So I might as well do that right now. That's what it looks like. That is issue 88. Yeah, just the panel itself. It's alright. It's fairly well moulded. Some people. Well, we'll wait and see. I'm not going to prejudge it, but yeah, it's there. So that's issue 88 done. Issue 89, which will be coming up soon, is fitting the left wing flap indicator. So quite a bit to do on this one. Well, we'll see. It looks fiddly, shall we say? And then fitting that, I think. No, we don't fit that onto the wing. Oh yes we do, yeah, fitting that onto that panel as well. So yeah, that'll be issue 89 and that'll be coming soon. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then you can give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-ra for now.